Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix why does Spotify keeps pausing. Spotify's ability to keep music lovers indulged in their favorite songs and soundtracks is not unknown to iPhone users, but that's certainly not the case when it pauses abruptly right when you have started getting into the groove of the song you like most. Now fixing this issue is devoting your precious time that seems unfeasible, and shifting to another music app means taking up the burden of creating the playlist you have already made through the years. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is turn off low power mode. You might keep your iPhone's low power mode to extend your mobile's battery life, but this might be the reason to Spotify randomly stopping. The low power mode saves mobile's charge by restricting background activities like downloading, automatic mail retrieval, background refresh for apps and more. Hence, before running the Spotify app on your mobile, ensure this mode is not on. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to battery, tap on it and then tap on low power mode toggle button to turn it off. And you are done. You can also do the same step by opening the control center and then just tap on the battery icon and you are done. And the next step is turn off data saver mode. Maybe the cause is the third point described as possible reason for this issue. Since you keep your iPhone in data saver mode all the time, the built-in data saver mode in Spotify can significantly impact the playback quality and cause the app to pause. Hence, always keep this data saver mode off when you feel like listening to some music. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. From here, you can see the low data mode is turned on. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is restart your device. Your Spotify app has already been paused and you can do nothing else to fix this issue. Consider restarting your iPhone from your computer starts menu. You can also attempt a reset from a mobile device. However, the best thing to do would to be keep your iPhone is a complete power off. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off and wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is close other apps. Don't be surprised after knowing that multiple apps being active simultaneously in the background can make you wonder why does my Spotify keeps pausing. Such issues are more common when you have multiple browser tabs and apps like ads, autoplay and notifications in your iPhone's background. You can solve this problem by closing all the tabs and app potentially to play sound at the back. You can put your device into the do not disturb mode. Would be better to mute all notifications. For this, open the app switcher and then swipe up all the apps and close it. And you are done. And the next step is restart the app. For this, you just need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and close the Spotify app and reopen it again. And the next step is uninstall and reinstall Spotify app. Fascinatingly, uninstalling and reinstalling the Spotify app on your mobile phone can also come as a great help. It's a great way to updating the app with its latest version. For this, you just need to press and hold the Spotify app until a pop-up menu appears and then tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm and then re-download it from the app store and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Spotify keeps pausing on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.